When buying construction equipment, the first thing we usually look at is the purchase price. But the real cost of a machine is not only the price tag. When you buy an excavator, loader, roller, or asphalt paver, you also need to consider fuel cost, maintenance cost, spare parts, breakdown and waiting risk, working hours, expected usage period, and finally, the resale value. This is called total cost of ownership, or TCO. So we should not only ask, how much does this machine cost? The real question is, how much will this machine cost me for every hour it works? Because sometimes a machine that looks cheaper at first can become more expensive in the long run. Higher fuel consumption, more maintenance, lower resale value, or more downtime can seriously change the total cost. On the other hand, a machine with a higher purchase price can actually be a better investment if it uses less fuel, breaks down less, has a stronger service network, and keeps its value better in the second-hand market. Now, let's say we received offers from different companies. How can we compare them properly? First, we go to the comparison page on Machinho.com. We start by selecting the application area. In this example, let's choose Earthmoving works. Then we select the machine type. Here, we will continue with excavators. After that, we enter the expected usage period and the estimated annual working hours. For example, 5 years of usage and 1,500 working hours per year.
Now it is time to enter the offers we received from suppliers, brand by brand. For this example, let's compare Caterpillar, Hitachi, and XCMG. We select the brands and enter the offer prices. As you can see, Machinho immediately calculates the hourly costs. So now we are not only looking at the purchase price, but also the estimated cost per working hour. In this example, even though Hitachi does not have the lowest purchase price, it appears to be the most cost-effective option in terms of hourly cost. XCMG, which has the lowest purchase price in this scenario, actually becomes the most expensive option when we look at the hourly cost. So a machine that looks cheaper at the beginning may cost us more in the end. Of course, we can try different numbers here. We can enter different offer prices, different working hours, or different usage periods to create our own scenarios. We can also change the application area, machine type, and other criteria to find the most suitable machine for our own job site. Now, let's make another example with different brands. This time, let's give the same purchase price to every brand. For example, let's compare JCB, Bobcat, and Sumitomo. Even when the purchase prices are the same, as you can see, the hourly costs can still be different. Because total cost is not only about the purchase price. Brand reliability, resale value, maintenance cost, fuel consumption, and the usage scenario all affect the final result. So two machines with the same purchase price can create completely different costs in the long run. That is why getting a price offer is not enough. You also need to understand the real operating cost behind that price.
With Machinho, you can compare different brands, different prices, and different usage scenarios in seconds. In short, get your offers, come to Machinho, enter the prices, and make your technical comparison easily with our AI-powered TCO Calculator. Because in construction equipment, the cheapest machine is not always the most cost-effective machine. The right machine is the one that gives you the best total result with its purchase price, hourly cost, operating efficiency, and resale value. Machinho.com. Compare before you buy.